Hello everyone, welcome to Health Harmony. Today we are diving into the topics that affects millions of people worldwide, fatty liver disease. If you are someone you know is struggling with this condition, don't worry. There are natural effective ways to reverse it and we were here to share them with you. Fatty liver or hepatic steatosis occur when excess fats build up in your liver cells. This can lead to serious health issues including inflammation, liver damage, and even liver failure if left untreated. But the good news is, with the right lifestyle changes, you can reverse fatty liver naturally and improve your overall health. In this video, we will explore the top tips to help you combat fatty liver from diet and exercise to sleep and stress management. These practical tips can make a world of difference, so let's get started on the path to a healthier liver and a healthier you. Number 1. Maintain a healthy diet. A balanced diet is crucial. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. These foods provide essential nutrients without overloading your liver with fat and sugar. Avoid sugar and refined carbs. High sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, which is a major contributor to a fatty liver. Foods like sugary drinks, candies, and pastries should be limited. Incorporate food rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as fish, nuts, and seeds. These can help reduce liver fat. Include fiber-rich foods like oats, beans, and lentils to support liver health. A diet high in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grain is beneficial. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and can lower cholesterol, both of which are great for liver health. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity helps reduce liver fat and improves overall liver function. Exercise increases the body's ability to use insulin, reduce inflammation, and burns triglycerides that are stored in liver cells. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Incorporate both aerobic exercises and strength training. Aerobic exercises burn fat while strength training builds muscle, which can help increase metabolism. Number 3. Lose weight gradually. Gradually weight loss can significantly reduce liver fat and improve liver health. Crash diets can actually worsen fatty liver disease by increasing liver inflammation. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week to avoid stressing your liver and ensure sustainable results. This can be achieved by creating a modest calorie deficit through diet and exercise. Number 4. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol can cause further liver damage and worsen fatty liver disease. The liver processes alcohol as a toxin which can interfere with its ability to metabolize fat. Limiting or completely avoiding alcohols gives your liver a chance to heal and function properly. Even small amount of alcohols can be harmful if you have a fatty liver. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your liver functions optimally by flushing out toxins and maintaining overall hydration. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Herbal teas and water-rich fruits and vegetables can also contribute to your hydration. Avoid sugary drinks and sodas as they can increase liver fats and hinder your progress. Number 6. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for liver health and overall well-being. Poor sleep can negatively impact insulin sensitivity, leading to increased fat storage in the liver. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body and liver to rest and repair. Establish a regular sleep routines by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day and create a relaxing bedtime environment. Number 7. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your liver and overall health. Stress can lead to behavior that contribute to fatty liver, such as a poor diet and lack of exercise. Practice stress relief techniques such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Number 8. Monitor your health. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help monitor liver health and catch any issues early. Regular blood tests can monitor liver enzymes levels, which are indicator of liver health. Keep track of your liver enzyme levels and other health indicators through blood tests and medical evaluations. Discuss any concern with your doctors and follow their advice for managing and improving your liver health. By following these tips, you can support your liver health and potentially reverse fatty liver disease naturally. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your lifestyle or diet. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you on your journey to better liver health. Remember, making small consistent changes can lead to significant improvement over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to Health Harmony for more health tips and information. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have any question or tips of your own? Leave them in the comment below. Take care and stay healthy.